Hey guys, Jacob Wright from MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida here. And today I want to show you our brand new Grady-White 215 Freedom. As you can see on the outside, this boat is colored with the sea glass green hull color. Nice two-tone with the green and the white on the bottom gives it that very nice contrast. The 215 is a 21-foot boat. It does have a very nice extended back platform, which extends this boat to probably about 22.5 feet. It's good to know in case you have any storage or garage space that you have to fit the boat into. This boat is equipped with a Yamaha 250 four-stroke outboard. Let's hop up inside and show you some more. All right, thank you for joining me inside the boat now. One of my favorite features about this boat is the fact that it does have kind of a dual functionality. The Freedom series, it kind of gives you the freedom to boat how you want to. Grady-White boats are fishing boats at heart, so they all will come with rod storage as well as a very nice oversized live well, as you can see here. This boat also has an activity bar, so if you want to do any type of skiing, tubing, anything of that sort. As you can see here on the starboard side, we have the open center walkthrough for getting in and out of the boat very easily. But as you can see over here, it does transition into a very nice seat. So if you needed additional seating for extra passengers, they could sit here as well. Underneath both sets of seats, there is additional storage for anything that you may need as well, which is very convenient. Again, back to the Freedom side of things. You don't want to fish, you want to hang out for the day. This lounger is a very comfortable lounger, and on this knob here you can open it and actually slide this backrest completely back or forward, just kind of optimizing how you want to use the boat for the day and seating how you want. There is also additional storage underneath here. There's plenty of storage in this 21-foot boat. Again, I'm going to say 21 a couple of times throughout this video because even though it is a 21-foot, it is massive. It's very big, a lot of storage, and much bigger than most other 21-foot boats. Has a Fusion audio system in it for the captain to be able to control, as well as the main unit over here for the passenger to be able to choose what they want as well. It does have USB port here for any type of charging of any phones. Does have the Yamaha digital throttle system, Lenco trim tabs, the Yamaha vessel view, so you can see what's all going on with your engine. And again, not a lot of 21-foot boats have this in it, so I definitely want to make sure that this is seen. This oversized head, and you can see there's a lot of stuff in there that goes with the boat, so plenty of storage again throughout the entire boat, and just kind of allowing you to spend a lot more time out on the water throughout your day. Under the helm storage here, as we walk our way forward, we do have the bow filler in, so you can remove this and kind of extend your center walkthrough. Comes with speakers up here. It's a very comfortable center walkthrough boat style. This windshield does close, so if it is a little bit of a windy or chillier day, you can eliminate the wind by just closing this, and it'll just go right over the top of you. Again, this is the Grady-White 215 Freedom. It is a brand new unit here in Panama City Beach, Florida. If you'd like to know anything more about the boat, please feel free to come in and see us and take a look at this boat, or give me a call at 850-819-9106. Thank you guys.